Hello guys, welcome to the channel. From today we are starting our core machine learning series. So first understand what is machine learning. Basically, machine learning is a branch of artificial intelligence through which computers learns from the data, and then it make predictions or take decisions on the basis of the data we provided. Okay, so this is what machine learning. And there are three types of machine learning: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, reinforcement learning. We will see all these three learnings one by one. But first, we will go for supervised learning. Okay. There are two types of supervised learning: classification and regression. Okay. First, understand what is supervised learning. So supervised learning is a type of machine learning where the model learns from the labeled data. Okay. What is the meaning of labeled data? Labeled data means we know the input. Okay. This is our labeled data set. Okay. We know the input and also we know the correct output. Okay. So this is our labeled data set in which we have our inputs also, output also. We know the input and output both. Then we will train our model using this label data set. We will train the model here. But first, we will always split our data set into two parts: training data and testing data. On the basis of by training data, we will train our model. We will train our model from the training data, and once my model will be built, then remember, I splitted the data into two parts, training data and testing data. Now, I will test my model through my testing data. Testing data, okay? Now, on the basis of testing data, my model will give predictions. Predictions that this is apple, this is apple, this is orange, and this is how supervised learning works. Okay? So there are two types of supervised learning: regression and classification. Regression for continuous values and classification for categories. Categories means yes, no, true, false, or maybe more than two types of categories like red, blue, green, cat, dog, cow. Okay, these are categories. We will predict through classification, and continuous values for we will predict by regression. Means suppose someone has 25,000 salary, someone has 50,000 salary, we will predict the salary or something like that. Continuous values. Okay. This is what supervised learning means, and there are two types. From next videos, we will learn how we can practically implement these algorithms. These are it: algorithm, regressions algorithms, classification algorithm. Okay. First, we will understand how we can apply these algorithms for our supervised learning for classification and regressions. Okay. Then after supervised learning, we will cover unsupervised learning and then reinforcement learning. Okay. So that's all in this video. From next video, we will cover practically the different algorithms of regression and classification. Okay. Thank you.